Hello Forex traders. So these I'm starting to set up a couple of short videos just to show you the trend following system that I utilize for trading Forex. So they're going to be a series of short videos, so we're going to keep them under 5 minutes, just to have a quick setup and just help you get to the key concepts of what we're doing here. It's probably ideally suited for people that are just starting out trading. Anyway, let's get straight into this. So firstly, the chart setup. So the chart setup is firstly set up with 4 exponential moving averages. We have the purple one here, which is the 200 exponential moving average. We have a 21 exponential moving average. We then have a 13 exponential moving average, and then we have a 8 exponential moving average. Okay, so that's the moving averages. That's the only thing we're looking at. Also on the chart, we have these triangles here, which are fractals. Okay, so you need to put the fractal indicator on as well. Then we have 3 different oscillators here, and we overlay them on top of each other to save space, but also there's a reason for that, and I'll point that out now. So the first oscillator is the Williams percentage R, which is this black line. We then have 2 stochastics. You can see there's one there's one there, and the stochastic setup first one is a 27.55. That's a slower moving stochastic. Then we have a faster moving stochastic setup at 9.55. Okay. Now, the purpose of the stochastics is, number one, looking for diversions, which would be along the Williams percentage R. And then we're looking for stochastics grouping and crossovers like that. That indicates overbought territory. Something's about to happen, and you can see we kind of start moving to the downside. Okay, we'll get into the triggers and stuff in later videos for now, but the concept pretty simple. Below the moving averages, I am trending to the downside. Okay, and above the moving averages, I'm trending to the upside. Oscillators are really just giving me indication of overbought or oversold areas. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the chart setup. Nothing to it, pretty straightforward and simple. And in the next video, we're going to talk about levels, because the levels are probably the most important part of this trend following system. Okay, so hope you understand that. There will be a description of everything in the comments below as well. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.